ahead, Carlton.
All right, tell your story.
Tell your story.
I want you to tell yours.
I want you to tell your story.
I ain't got one at this
I ain't got one.
I want to hear yours.
Oh, this one, I think this one's all top notch.
Okay.
Alright, we was upstairs chilling, man. Me and my cousin, my other cousin.
What you doing? Oh, upstairs chilling.
Yeah, what the hell you talking about? All of a sudden, I heard this loud noise, like, ow, 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 ow. No, that's a different type of noise. They won't have no interrelations. They won't have no sexual contact.
You sure?
Father Tibbs, my cousin, my little baby cousin, went down there trying to take the noodles off his
dick?
My baby cousin tried to take the noodles out the microwave. The noodles went down his pants. He was like, ow, ooh, ooh, ow, 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 ow. He took all his stuff off his
Don't take your stuff off, man.
So we went down there and said, what the hell's going on? I'm like, the noodle went down. No, he had his burn, he had a burn from the noodle. Went down his pants. Turned his tank leg up. He was mad. He was crying all night. So we had to get some cold water for his line. He was like, thank you, man. How you doing this shit, man? No. No. Not really. But yeah, other than that, that was the funniest moment I ever went through. Oh, I got another one. The lady from way back then, she was getting drunk, right?
You had sex with the old lady?
No, I never had sex with that old lady. She was getting drunk.
So you got her drunk?
She soaked through the floor, soaked the whole floor up.
How'd she do that?
She pissed on the damn floor. So my grandma's boyfriend came out with his big old chain and trying to wear her butt out. The chain said, oh, you getting out my house? No, you getting there.
Yeah, he wore her out.
Not. He ain't touched that butt.
Yes, he did.
No, he did. He had booty on him. My grandma's friend, he had her. Oh, my ass. So anyway, he wore her ass. She flew out there drunk. She fell down the steps. He had to pick her up, send her butt. Then she pissed all over the daggone floor.
She pissed.
All on the floor, on a chair, and then she went outside, pissed on the floor. So he had to carry her out there to the car and bring her home. That's the last day she ever came to our house. That was a sad moment, man.
Oh, man.
That was a bad moment. Peace out.
Later.